The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Changes have also warned that climate change would reduce renewable surface water and groundwater resources, intensifying competition for water among all sectors and affecting water, energy, and food security. This is what Pakistan is mainly facing nowadays. To resolve such issues, information and data sharing is crucial. Unavailability of an integrated water resources data warehouse and open data sharing policy is also a barrier. This has caused the water sector stakeholders to work in isolation. This can be resolved by connecting the dots between actors, policy fields, and scales to address water challenges in a systematic way. Other than scientific data, much remains to be done in terms of socio-economic and financial data to guide decision-making in the water sector. Guaranteeing a water-secure Pakistan will require the full engagement of all actors, and together we can address unsustainable use. Upon joining my office as Minister for Science and Technology, I have taken up one-point agenda for water resources, translate research into public benefit with the help of scientific data and smart technologies. I tasked our organizations, Pakistan Council of Research in Water Resources, to bring its research into action in Islamabad as a pilot. PCRWR and CDA, which is the Capital Development Authority, signed a program of cooperation for artificial groundwater recharge and development of an evidence-based groundwater regulatory framework for the capital.